want more than scary. I want miserable scary. Scarius miserablus.
What? I'm listening.
Wow, that's annoying. Here are the blueprints for the Hanosaurus Rex. I want it to be the ultimate in outdoor park misery. Munch the kid, crunch the kid, relaunch the kid. Now that's design. How long are you going to keep doing that?
Why? Is my extreme discomfort bothering you?
A little. But not as much as this.
Hey, Heloise!
What do you want? I'm trying to work here.
I'm practicing my screaming voice! Listen! Heloise!
Jimmy, what are you doing?
Oh, someone got up on the crabby side of the bed.
I am not being crabby. I just don't want to...
You know you're hiccuping, right? All I'm saying is someone's eating from the crabby side of the fridge.
I am not eating from the crabby... Ugh! What does that even mean?
She says all crabby-like.
Hey.
Have you ever thought of getting rid of your hiccups?
I have already tried the #1 foolproof, never fail method of getting rid of hiccups.
Which is?
Nasty hiccups go like that when you lick a purple cat.
Fuck. And you don't think you're driving on the crabby side of the road?
Dude, are you still doing that irritating hiccup thing? Piñata! Candy?
We need to get Heloise some help.
To where we always go!
Leave me alone.
Maybe we should go somewhere else.
Your friend has hiccups. Fact, she needs to get rid of them. Second fact, the solution is obvious.
She's already tried that. Anything else?
Drink water while standing on her head.
BZJ Heinous is on the job! How's that?
Still crabby?
Apparently.
When do I get my Hanosaurus Rex?
When it's ready.
What did you say, Miss Krabby Pants?
I said when it's ready.
Krabby, Krabby, Krabby. Krabby, Krabby, Krabby. Krabby, Krabby, Krabby. Ah!
I've got to get rid of these hiccups.
Eureka! Hiccups can be scared out of the sufferer. Ask yourself, what is your friend most terrified of?
I know she hates taking baths.
That's you.
Right.
Don't worry, I'll figure something out. And it'll be super scary.
I'll go run the bath.
That's you.
Right.
Now where were we?
Ooh-wagga, ooh-wagga, boo-wah! Heloise, wait!
Oh, it's you guys.
scare poor Heloise for sure. Girls hate poodle rats. I'll open the door and you send it in. Wow, he's a testy one.
Here, boy. Here, boy. Isn't he cute? I'm gonna call him Bitey.
Good name.
Eureka again! Here it is. Hiccups can sometimes be cured by a minor restriction of air.
Like this?
A little too much restriction. Much simpler. It's like holding one's breath or even, an extended kiss, perhaps?
Kiss?
Heloise? Ew! You kiss her.
No way! You kiss her!
There's no way I'm kissing her. Maybe she can just hiccup the rest of her life.
Hi, Josie. Hi, baby.
Oh, I'll do it. How hard can it be?
This should help.
If I don't make it, never forget me.
I won't, Billy.
It's Jimmy.
If you say so.
Finally, one last task.
Mwah. Eloise, hold still. Eloise, you seem so cold to touch. So icy. Mwah.
At last, my Hanosaurus Rex is complete!
Stop this at once!
It wasn't me? No, wait, Heloise! There's a simple explanation. We were just trying to... For those of you who missed this bit of Jimmy Two Shoes history, may we present the Beezy Heloise kiss once more in slow motion.
Wait, my hiccups. They're gone. But I kissed Beezy.
Way to go, Beezy! You really took one for the team.
Well, I guess I do have a way with the ladies.